Looking to trade gold in Canada in 2025? Whether you trade XAUUSD, gold CFDs, or use algorithms, choosing the right broker makes a huge difference. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best gold trading forex brokers in Canada for 2025 based on spreads, platforms, execution, and reliability. Let's dive in. Gold continues to be one of the most actively traded commodities in Canada, especially during times of inflation, market volatility, and global uncertainty. But here's the truth. Your broker can make or break your gold trading results. Tight spreads, fast execution, deep liquidity, and reliable platforms are absolutely essential when trading a fast-moving asset like XAUUSD. Let's discover the best gold trading forex brokers in Canada 2025. FP Markets, 8Cap, Octa, Tickmill, IC Markets. Check the link below on description to open an account with best gold trading forex brokers in Canada in 2025. These are our top 5 gold brokers, offering tight XAUUSD spreads, fast execution, and powerful platforms built for serious traders. First is FP Markets, our pick for the best overall gold trading broker. They're known for ultra-tight raw spreads, often near 0.0 pips on gold, plus fast execution and deep liquidity. With MT4, MT5, and C-Trader, FP Markets is ideal for scalpers, day traders, and algo traders. If you want a professional-grade trading environment for XAUUSD, FP Markets is hard to beat. Raw spreads from 0.0, MT4, MT5 C-Trader. Fast execution, great for scalping and EAs. Second is 8Cap. Perfect for traders who like gold plus multiple CFD markets. 8Cap offers tight gold spreads, TradingView integration, and MT4, MT5 support. If you trade gold alongside Bitcoin, oil, indices, or USD pairs, 8Cap gives you one of the most flexible multi-asset environments in Canada. Tight XAUUSD spreads, TradingView, MT4, MT5. Great for gold strategies, reliable execution. Third is Octa. Best for zero-commission gold trading with a simple pricing model. They offer low spreads, a clean mobile app, and easy-to-use tools. Great for beginners, but still strong enough for experienced traders. Zero commissions, low spreads, user-friendly mobile app, beginner-friendly. Fourth is Tickmill, a favorite among scalpers and day traders. Tickmill offers raw spreads near 0.0 pips on gold and super fast execution, perfect for precision trading. It supports e-trading, hedging, and high-frequency strategies, making it a top pick for aggressive gold scalpers. Spreads from 0.0 to extremely fast execution, e-friendly, ideal for scalpers. Last is IC Markets, one of the world leaders in algorithmic and high-volume gold trading. With deep liquidity, ultra-low raw spreads, and support for MT4, MT5, C-Trader, VPS, and API trading, IC Markets is built for serious gold traders. Ultra-low raw spreads, MT4, MT5 K-Trader, VPS, and algo-friendly, ideal for high-volume traders. Here are the best gold trading forex brokers in Canada 2025. FP Markets, best overall gold broker. 8Cap, best for gold and CFD trading. Octa, Best for zero commission, tick mill. Best for professional scalpers, IC markets. Best for algorithmic and high volume trading. For opening an account with the mentioned brokers on the video, please visit www.topfxbrokersreview.com. Each of these brokers offers excellent trading conditions for XAUUSD, but the best one for you depends on your trading style, whether that's scalping, swing trading, or algorithmic strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading insights. Thanks for watching and happy trading.